Good morning and welcome to session 2 of the Forest Growers Research Conference titled Improving Supply Chain Efficiency, Safety and Sustainability. My name is Chris Barnes and I am the Chief Operating Officer at Hancock Forest Management and a member of the FGR's Harvesting Technical Steering Team. I'll be chairing this session today, which will run from 10:30 until approximately 12:30. There'll be 6 talks with each speaker talking for 15 minutes. Questions and answers will be held to the end of the session. For those that joined the first session this morning, we heard from a range of speakers talking about new product opportunities across both softwoods and hardwoods and how these can add value to forest estates. This session will shift the focus to look at a mix of innovative developments that have been born out of a desire to either improve safety outcomes, such as the automated hauler, or lift efficiencies such as log scaling and tracking projects, improve value recovery by reducing breakage at harvest, or analysing supply chains to identify unique opportunities to improve efficiencies. We will also be given an update on log fumigation status and go-forward options. Now, typically as a chair, we would introduce each speaker before they speak. However, given this unique format, I'll do that now. In this session, we have 5 speakers. Keith Raymond. Keith is the Harvesting Program Leader at Forest Growers Research, and Keith will be presenting 2 topics today. The first, the automated hauler development, and the second, an update on a helicopter/grapple. Our next speaker, Dr. Glenn Murphy from Glenn Murphy & Associates, will provide an update from the Automation and Robotics program, where he's looking at some Swedish technology to replace paper log tags. Our third speaker is Melissa Welsh, who is a postdoctoral fellow at Scion. Melissa has a PhD in economics and will be talking to us today on harvesting, automation, logistics and economics. Rob Preble from Rob Preble Consulting will discuss the effects of using a fixed head felling machine on stem breakage and the impacts that can have on value recovery improvements. And our last speaker is Don Hammond. Don is the chair of STIMBA and has had a long career in forest science and biosecurity and will update us today on methyl bromide and fumigation options going forward. Please submit any questions that you may have throughout the course of the presentations, and then the presenters will join us at the end of the session for live Q&A. And finally, just in wrapping up, I'd like to thank each of the presenters for their presentations today, but also for making this an informative and enjoyable session. I'd also like to thank you for joining the session and making it a valuable day. And with that, I'll now hand over to Keith for the first presentation. Thank you.